Welcome to Easy Learning channel. Standard 7th class students. We learn subject Maths. Chapter number 10 Bank and Simple Interest. Part number 10.5 Practice set 41. In this practice set, examples of simple interest. First example is if the interest on 1700 rupees is 340 rupees for 2 years, the rate of interest must be. We choose answer from given four options 12%, 15%, 4% and 10%. Which option is right option? So, solve this example, use formula of simple interest. Write down all information in left side and write formula of interest. Write down given numbers 340, 1700 into R into 200 divided by 100, 340, 17 into R into 2, 17 and 2 taken left side at divisor, 17 into 2 is equal to R. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 0, 20 upon 2 is equal to R. Divided by 2, 10, 10 equal to R. So, rate of interest is 10%. Principal 1700 time 2 years and rate of interest is 10%. Interest is 340. Option number 4. Right option is 4 number option 10%. Second example, if the interest on 3000 rupees is 600 rupees at the certain rate for certain number of years, म्हणजे 3000 रुपयांचे विशिष्ट दराचे विशिष्ट वर्षाचे व्याज 600 रुपये येते. What would the interest be 1500 rupees under the same condition? तर 1500 रुपयांचे तितक्याच दराचे तितक्याच वर्षाचे व्याज किती होईल? Given 4 options 300 rupees, 1000 rupees, 700 rupees and 500 rupees. Let us solve this example without using formula. 300 rupees, 600 rupees, certain rate for certain number for years, principal 1500, rate and time is same. So, we use equation. Ratio is 3000 upon 1500 is equal to 600 upon x. Cross multiplication 3000 into x into 600 into 1500, x is equal to 600 into 1500 upon 3000. 30 cut, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 20 into 15. 15 multiplied by 20, 0, 15 twos are 300. Principal 1500 and interest is 300 rupees. Rate same and time same. Next, example number 3. His name is Javed. Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years. म्हणजेच जावेदने 12,000 रुपये 9 दराने काही वर्षासाठी बँकेत ठेवले. And withdrew his interest everywhere at the end of the period. दरवर्षी व्याजाची रक्कम तो काढून घेत असे. He had received altogether 17,400 rupees for how many years he had deposited his money. किती वर्षात त्याला व्याजासह 17,400 रुपये मिळतील. Javed is very happy because he deposited some money in bank. Write down all information in left side. Javed deposited in bank 12,000 rupees. 9 PCPA. Time did not know and interest did not know. Amount is 17,400. First we find interest, use formula of amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. 17,400 plus 17,400, 12,000 taken left side as subtract from 12,000 subtract from 17,400, remaining 5,400 rupees. Interest is 5,400 rupees. Javed deposited 12,000 and given interest 5,400 rupees. Next, we find the time. Use formula of simple interest. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Interest is 5,400. 12,000 into 9 into time upon 100 divided by 100, 20 cut. 5,400 is equal to 1,020 into 9 into T. 1,020 and 9 taken left side as divisor form and write down T right side divided by 9. 9 6 are 54, 0. 600 upon 120 is equal to T. 6,000 divided by 120, 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60, 5 is equal to T. Javed deposited in a bank 5 years. Javed deposited 12,000 rupees 5 years and amount given 5 after 5 years 17,400 rupees. He received 17,400 rupees. Next example is home industries. In many places, women are now starting home industries, starting cottage industries and becoming self-sufficient. This is now Lataben started a cottage industries. Next example is Lataben. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10 PCPA. लताबेन यांनी गृहोद्योग सुरू करण्यासाठी बँकेतून काही रक्कम 10% दराने काढली. 2.5 वर्षांसाठी कर्ज घेतले. इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1 upon years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees at total interest, how much money she had borrowed? म्हणजे त्यांनी कर्ज फेडण्यासाठी 10,250 रुपये व्याज दिले तर त्यांनी किती रक्कम कर्जाऊ घेतली होती. लताबेन यांनी गृहोद्योग सुरू केला. Now we solve this example. Lataben started a cottage industry, borrowed some money from bank. Borrowed some money from bank and started a cottage industry म्हणजे गृहोद्योग सुरू केलेला आहे. Principal, rate, time 2.5 years, interest 10,250. We find principal, use the formula of simple interest. Write down formula. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. We find principal, so write down interest. Simple interest is 10,250. P into 10 into 2.5 upon 100. Here 2.5, so 100 taken left side as multiplication form. P into 10 into 2.5 converted into fraction 25 upon 10. Taken left side as multiplication form. So 10 ones are 10. Remaining 25. P into 25. 25 taken as divisor form in left side. Divisor form. Remaining P right side. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Multiply by 4 to 1250. Product is 41,000 rupees is equal to P. Principal is 41,000 rupees. So, Lataben started a cottage industry, borrowed some money from a bank. She borrowed 41,000 rupees from bank and started own business. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks in the table. Here, given one table, 5 examples in this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here given principal, rate of interest, time, interest and amount. In the first example, find interest and amount. Second example, find principal and amount. Find principal and amount. Third example, find time and amount. Here given principal and interest, addition these two numbers and 4 number example, find principal and time, and 5 number example is principal and amount. Find. Solve these examples. Use formula of simple interest and solve all example and write down fill in the blanks in the table. Complete all examples in 41. Next given activity. First activity is visit different banks and find out the rate of interest they give for different types of account. In the bank, various types of account: saving account, recurring deposit account and fixed deposit. Find the interest rate. Find the interest rate of these different accounts. Next activities: look at the passbook of person in your household and write the information on those passbook. म्हणजे आपल्या घरातील व्यक्तींचे पासबुकचे निरीक्षण करा आणि त्यांचे नाव, अकाउंट नंबर, IFSC कोड आणि शाखेचे नाव लिहा. What we learn today? Today we learn practice set 41 and examples on simple interest. So, thanks my dear student. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.